Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know that I always make videos on how to make money online, most especially with cryptocurrency. Okay, if this is your first time of being in this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Okay, in today's video I will show you a site where you can earn thousands of dollars. Okay, when you can earn thousands of dollars through Launchpad program. Okay, guys, so for you to get started, all you have to do is you head over to my about here, then you head over to my Telegram link. Just click on the link of my Telegram here. It will take you to my Telegram where you can see the link of this site. These guys, don't relent on this. Okay, so I'll head over to the site now and show you guys how to sign up and make a successful trade in this site. Okay guys, so this is the site called AppUsd. Okay, this guys trade launchpad for you. You don't need to do anything. All you have to do is sign up in the site, subscribe in the site, then the site trade for you and give you your own profits. And guess what, you can withdraw it to any of your exchange in just a tap. So guys, all you have to do now to sign up is you head over to this place and click and you put your name which you want to use. Okay, so I'm coming. You input your name here, put your email address here. They're going to send you an OTP which you use to confirm this your email. Okay, so then you validate your phone number, select your country, then choose a strong password. Then note, you must use a referral link, because without the referral link you can't sign up in this site. You must use a referral link. So that's why I say head over to my Telegram. Over there you will see the link of this site, then you can click on sign up now. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and sign into my own account because I already have an account with them. Okay, right now I click on sign in. Okay, right now I've signed into the site, so I'll need to verify my email before signing into the site to show you how protected this site is. Okay. Alright, right now I'm gonna put this code. Alright, and I'm gonna verify the code. Boom, this is my site. Okay, as you can see my dashboard over here. You can see my balance in this site. I have over $5.75 in this site. Okay, and I have already made a deposit of $50 in this site. All you have to do is you sign up in this site, you make a deposit. Okay, you subscribe in the site, then this site pays you 400% of your investment. Okay, after the 400% expires, you have to invest in the site, or you can open another account. You can open multiple accounts in this site. That's the amazing part of this site. Okay, as you guys can see it. All right, so for you to get started and subscribe in this site, all you have to do, you come to this three dotted line over here, click on it. Then over here you're gonna see a subscription button which you are gonna click. If you click on the subscription button, you are going to see something like subscribe now, subscription history, and earning bonuses. You have to click on subscribe now. Once you click on subscribe now, it will bring out a web page which says input your preferred payment method. Okay, click on it, then you choose USDT. Okay, you put amount that you want to invest. Note, the minimum investment amount in this site is 20 USD, and while the maximum is 1 million USD. So if you click on 20 USD, you click on pay, then you copy this generated address. Okay, alright, see, look at the generated address. You are going to click on it to copy. Just click on copy address copied. Then you head over to any of your exchange and make the deposit. Note, if you want to make a deposit in this site, assuming you want to make a $20 deposit, you have to make it 21. Okay, so you don't say you make deposit of 20 USD and 19 arrive in the site. Okay, because the minimum deposit here is 20, so it must be 20. For you not to make a mistake, just you have to make a budget of 21 or 22 USD. Alright guys, so after you made the deposit, it's going to be to come to your site, and your account will be activated automatically, and you start earning bonuses in this site. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Follow me for more updates on how to make money online with cryptocurrency. Alright guys, thank you for watching.